Morning, everyone. Virgo Triad here. It is July 16th, 2018. Happy Monday to everyone. I've had quite a few people ask me about the Heather Ann Tucci-Jarraf and R.K.Beane sentencing that was supposed to take place in June and got pushed back to July 17th, which of course is tomorrow at 2 p.m. at United States District Court, Eastern District of Tennessee at Knoxville. What we do have now that's available to look at are the United States Sentencing Memorandum for both Heather and Randall. These are the guidelines that are being suggested to the judge based on the fact that they were both found guilty. So I'm going to go ahead and just go over those briefly with you so that you know what the sentencing guidelines are that are being suggested. And we'll have to wait till tomorrow, till final sentencing, to see if the judge upholds what the recommendation is. So for Heather, the sentencing recommendation is a total term of imprisonment of 63 months. That is 5 years and 3 months of imprisonment to be followed by a term of supervised release of 3 years. There is a level 2 enhancement for abuse of position of trust or use of special skill involved with Heather Ann Tucci-Jarraf's imprisonment, because at one point she was a licensed attorney, and I believe they're taking that into consideration. Now, with regard to R.K.Beane, they are looking at a recommended term of imprisonment between 151 to 188 months. So that's 12.5 years to 15.5 years, to be followed then by a term of supervised release of 3 years. What I'm going to do is I am going to put the link to this in the description so that everyone can read it for themselves. This is something that, as you know, the Virgo Triad channel has been following since the beginning of the trial. So I wanted to make sure this information was up for everybody to take a look at. Like I said, I've had many questions very recently over why is it that there is no sentencing available to view yet. And that is because the sentencing was actually pushed back until tomorrow. So again, we will have an update tomorrow with regards to what the judge has decided on these recommendations of the United States sentencing memorandums that have gone out. So, description will have the link, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye-bye.